Holy butt, you have got to be kidding me. They finally sent the box. I've been waiting for 16 days for this box. It's light. I can do that with it. Just dead. Wow. You are gonna get repaired, and I'm gonna play. My God, I can't believe this. Well, let's see what's inside the magic box of dreams. Hold on 1 second. Samurai sword shield. Okay. Let's open the box. This box is like brand new. Hold on. Perfect. Opened up. Let's see. A thin piece of paper. How to tell me no disc in the tray. Put the foam pieces on of it. There's a little thing that has about 97 different languages on it. That's beautiful. Is this the tape? Are you kidding me? That's the tape. Let me give me the foam things. Yeah. UPS. Holy crap! Dude, this took me 16 days to put in, and I get a box, and I send it to a place that's an hour and a half drive away from me. So what the hell? I'm counting on you, buddy.